backup guys, obviously our backup guys didn't play all that well, so put the first group back in. Embarrassing themselves getting much longer. Got another turnover and scored some points. But this game, like I told the guys, get behind us. Two mistakes this season, come back. So, our fate's going to be in 2 weeks. A lot of guys play so well. Really proud of our team being ready to play. Marcus, of course, really like the always is. Steve Garcia, excellent play. Out to rushing yards. Yes, it's great. Washington again. That's a good thing. But anyway, we're happy to get to win. At least a lot of guys like to play. Have to have depth. But anyway, we got enough. And we're looking forward to these next 2 games.
Can you talk about the way your first stringers started the game and half? You were to see them execute as well as they did right away.
Well, it was good to get a bunch of turnovers. That's how you score a lot of points quickly. You start out down on their end of the field, which we did several times in the game. I don't think we had enough 50 yards or so total offense. 461, okay, so. And only 61 plays, so it was, we weren't out there a whole bunch. But in the game, in the second half. Again, sometimes you have games It was nice to see DJ